Hi guys, we're going to the portion mill to grind our maize corn. Hakim is there walking. Okay, let's go. The portion mill. Okay, let's go, Hakim. What is that? Ang hirap naman kasama nitong si Hakim. I didn't bring the baby carrier. I want him to walk, but you see, he's just stopping everywhere. We're from the portion mill, guys. Portion mill. Okay, let's go home, my love. So guys, this is the maize and corn and cassava flour. I'm so sorry guys, I'm not uploading nowadays because I've been very busy. I'm so busy lately guys because my husband is almost coming. So I was very busy guys. I'm doing a general cleaning, and after that, you know, I can only do things at night when Hakim is sleeping. So at night I'm cleaning. Like the other day I cleaned the whole kitchen, and then the other day again I cleaned the toilets, like that. So I'm just very busy guys. Like the other day also I washed my carpet. So I'm not asking someone to come and help me because I want to do the cleaning by my own, so I can see that this one is already clean. Because so today we went to the portion mill because my husband likes ugali, that you will mix the corn and the cassava flour. So we went there. We went there with Hakim. Here is my baby boy, my very handsome boy. So yun nga guys, pasensya na po kayo. By the way guys, I'm trying to speak English, and then later on I'm translating to Tagalog because I want my Filipino viewers and supporters to enjoy my vlog. So I'm also nowadays I'm also talking Tagalog, if you notice in my vlog. So yun nga po guys, pasensya na po kayo kung hindi na ako nakakapag-upload lately because naglilinis ako sa bahay kasi parating na po yung asawa ko. So ayaw po nun ng makalat or maduming bahay. Tapos ngayon, nagpagiling kami ng kasava tsaka ng mais. Kasi yung asawa ko, ito yung gusto niya, yung imimix mo yung mais tsaka yung kasava sa ugali, yung staple food po dito sa Kenya. So ito, imimix ko lang po siya ng maayos. Habang may malikot na bata dito. Ayan. Ito po yung cassava. This is the cassava flour, guys. Then, ito po yung corn flour or maize flour. My love, don't move, ha? You will fall, okay? Just stay there. So, ihahalo-halo ko lang po siya. I'm going to mix it, guys. I'm going to wash this bag. Sayang. 10 shillings pa naman ang bag dito. Yes, my love? Okay. I'm going to mix later, guys, because this boy is here again. Say hi to them. Say hi to them. Say hi to them first. Say hi to them. Wow. Okay. Smile. Say bye, guys. Okay. See you guys. I'm going to cook now. How do you call this? I'm going to cook now ampalaya and kangkong, bitter gourd. Hey, that is so loud, my love. Bitter gourd and the spinach from Philippines, because yesterday guys For the first time, I met one Filipino family staying here in Kenya. So they brought us some. My beloved, don't scream, please. Mommy is making video. They brought us some vegetable, guys. So I have a video also on that. For that thing, I'm just editing, guys. I'm gonna show you because yesterday is Joanne's son's 6th birthday. So we gathered there in their place. So I'm gonna show you also that video. Just kindly wait because I'm not done editing yet. I'm already sweating, guys. Pinagpapawisan na ako, guys. So yun nga po, guys, na-meet ko po yung sila Ate Angela tsaka yung asawa niya, pati yung anak niya. Kahapon po sa kila Joanne kasi birthday nung anak ni Joanne. So, may video po ako nun. Nung namin, may story lang sa bahay ni Joanne habang tinutulungan magluto si Joanne ng panghanda. So, i-upload ko din po yun. Ine-edit ko pa po siya. So, that's all, guys. It's just a life update. Just stay, my love, just wait. Just stay in the vlog because I'm going to show you how I cook the bitter gourd or the ampalaya and the kangkong, the spinach in Philippines. So, bye guys. See you on my next vlog. Thank you for your support and always watching my vlog. I love you all. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. New day, new vlog. So for today's video, I want to show you this one. I have ampalaya or bitter ground. I already soak it in water. And also I have kangkong, the spinach in Philippines. And I have also string beans. So all of these, guys, is from Ate Angela, the Filipino family from Kisumu. So they brought this yesterday. They give me and Joanne. So this is our lunch for today. Let's cook it, guys. Ang saya-saya ko kasi makakain na ako ng kangkong for the first time after more than 1 year. Ngayon ulit ako makakain ng kangkong tsaka ng sitaw. Wala pong sitaw dito. Hindi ko makita or baka meron pero hindi ko lang maalam kung saan siya binibenta. Pero yung kangkong, wala po talagang kangkong dito. So ito galing to kila ate, tsaka ampalaya. May ampalaya po dito sobrang liit and sobrang pait. So itong dala nila ate, hindi po siya mapait. So igigisa ko lang siya ng may itlog. Tapos ito gigisa ko lang siya. Gisa lang ng may tubig, konting tubig. So let's cook, guys. Cooking, guys. We'll put some oil. Hakim is disturbing me. Onion. Hakim, move. Move, my love, move. Move. And then garlic. Ay, Hakim. Mommy. Then we will put the kangkong, the spinach. I can smell already. I can smell already the spinach. Hey, no. Then we will add small water, guys. Water. Para may konting sabaw kami ni Hakim. So we can have a small soup. Ay. I'm adding a very small nor cubes, chicken cubes. Big feelings are okay. Okay, wait. No. You see, you are falling. Wait. He is crying. We add small salt, guys. Mix, mix, mekos natin, guys. No, that's not a food. No, you cannot eat that one. We need to cook it first. Okay? Let me taste it, guys. Wow! Ang sarap, guys! Ang sarap-sarap niya. I'm adding salt. Nakakamiss yung ganitong pagkain. I miss this vegetable, guys. We don't heat. We don't heat, okay? That is painful. Say dede. Hakim. Hakim is very happy. So that's all, guys. It's already cooked. Let me cook the ampalaya. Now we're going to cook the ampalaya, guys. Again, oil. 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 Say oil. Onion. Hakim, why are you screaming, my love? Garlic, guys. Why are you screaming? As you can see, I'm not putting a lot of oil, guys. My love, that one is bad. That one is bad. Close it, please. Open this one. Hakim, now we will put our ampalaya, guys. I will add again a very small chicken cube, and then a small salt. A small salt. That's enough. Just let it cook, guys. I just want to mix the salt. You see, Hakim is already moving my tripod. We add a small water, very small. Sayang. Hindi siya mapait, guys. It's not bitter. Happy, what is that? Okay. It's already dry. Now we can add our egg. This is only one egg, guys. One egg. I'm so excited to eat this ampalaya. Of course, with rice. I want Hakim also to try this ampalaya. Ay, Hakim, mommy is taking video. Why are you streaming, my love? You are mommy's model, okay? I will take picture of you, okay? Then that's it, guys. It's done. Let's eat.